Teach you how to see messages on Facebook Marketplace with ease. If you've been selling or buying on Facebook Marketplace and want to manage your conversations more effectively, you've come to the right place. We're going to look at how you can access your messages on Facebook Marketplace step by step. First, open Facebook and head to Facebook Marketplace. If you're using the app, you can find Marketplace by tapping the icon that looks like a storefront, typically located at the bottom or the side of the screen depending on your device. If you're on a computer, look for the Marketplace link in the menu on the left-hand side of your homepage. Marketplace is your go-to hub for buying and selling on Facebook, so it's essential to know where to find it quickly. Once you're in Facebook Marketplace, focus your attention toward the left menu. This menu is your main navigation tool within Marketplace, offering various options to manage your buying and selling activities. Here, you're going to want to click on the option labeled Inbox. This is a crucial step because the inbox is where all your conversations related to Marketplace transactions are stored. Whether you're negotiating the price of an item, setting up a pickup time, or discussing item details, everything happens here. Clicking on the inbox will bring up a screen that's similar to your regular Facebook Messenger, but it focuses solely on Marketplace interactions. Here, you'll find all your conversations with potential buyers or sellers. As you scroll through, you can see each conversation neatly organized, with the most recent one at the top. This makes it easy to stay on top of your active communications, ensuring that you don't miss any important messages. Catching these messages promptly can be the difference between closing a sale or missing out on a great deal. To access a specific conversation, simply click on it, and the full message thread will open, allowing you to read through past messages and continue the conversation. This is similar to how you interact with friends on regular Messenger, so it should feel quite intuitive. If at any point you need to refer back to a previous message, everything you need is right there, ensuring a smooth buying or selling experience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can view and manage all your conversations on Facebook Marketplace without any hassle. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, keeping track of your messages is crucial for a seamless experience on Marketplace. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Thank you for watching and happy buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace.